Hello everyone, I am back with another video of the same chapter, agreement of subject and verb. So let's get started. Here also we will discuss some rules. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is taken as a unit. A collective noun is always singular, so we will take a singular verb with a collective noun. Here are some examples. Number 1. A pile of clothes is waiting to be washed. A pile is a collective noun, so the singular verb is used. Second example, a team of players is going to the field to practice. A team is a collective noun, so here we use the singular verb is. But a plural verb is used when the collection is thought of as separate entities or individuals. Look at the examples. Number 1, the jury were divided in their decision. Second example, the jury was deciding the case. Both the sentences, the subject, the jury. But in first example, jury is the members of the jury as individual person, so where verb is used. Look at the next rule. Subjects that have the phrase pair of take a singular verb as pair refers to one thing, even though the noun is plural. See the examples. This pair of trousers is black. Here trousers noun, trousers plural. But a pair of trousers refers to one thing, so we use the singular verb is. Second example, this pair of scissors belongs to her. Scissors noun and it is plural, but pair of scissors refers to one thing. That's why we use the singular verb belongs. But when we do not use a pair of, such words take a plural form. See the examples. My shoes are dirty. My shoes plural. That's why we use here plural verb are. Second example. The trousers are lying in the bag. The trousers subject plural. That's why we used here the plural verb are. Look at the next rule. When plural number applies to distances, heights, weights, periods of time or an amount of money, it is taken as a whole, considered as a single unit, a singular verb is used. Look at the examples. 10,000 rupees is the prize money offered in the game show. 50 kilometers is a long drive. 5 years is a long time to not meet your uncle. Here 10,000 rupees plural, 50 kilometers plural, 5 years also plural. All the three subjects are in plural form, but they are considered as a single unit. That's why we use the singular verb is in all the sentences. When the subjects are connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor, and the subjects take different persons, the verb agrees in person with the nearest subject. Look at the examples. Number 1, either he or I am to blame for his mistake. That in first sentence verb is near the subject I, so we use the verb am. Number 2, either Sima or her parents were traveling to New Delhi. Verb is near the subject her parents, so we use the plural verb were. Third sentence, neither Richa nor her roommates are attending the function. The verb is near the subject her roommates, so we use the plural verb are. Number 4, neither Rinki nor Pooja is ready with the presentation. The verb is near the subject Pooja, so we use the singular verb is. Look at the next rule. If two or more singular subjects are preceded by either, either of, neither of, each, every, each of, every one of, many a, none, none of, nobody, somebody, anything, nothing, everything, something. The verb is singular. See the examples. Each of the students was asked to recite a poem. Every one of us is working hard. Somebody has tossed my bag. Every man, woman, and child was present in the room. In all these four sentences, we use the singular verb was, is, has, was. Look at the next rule. Nouns that are in the plural form but are singular in meaning take a singular verb. Look at the examples. The news is not pleasant. Politics was how he became popular. The news, politics, they all are in the plural form but they are singular in meaning. So we use the singular verb. Look at the next rule. Words that indicate quantity such as all, none, some, most, more, enough, plenty, a lot of take a singular verb when the subject is singular and plural verb when the subject is plural. Look at the examples. All the boys have taken the books. All the boys is the subject and it is in the plural form. So we use the plural verb have. Look at the second sentence. Some of the cake is in the bowl. The subject cake is in singular form. So we use the singular verb is. Look at the next rule. When the words are joined to a singular subject using with, as well as, together with, along with, a singular verb is used. When the subject is plural, the verb will also be plural. See the examples. The teacher along with the students walks into the classroom. The subject, the teacher, is in the singular form. So, we use the singular verb walks. Look at the second sentence. The cat as well as the kittens plays near the fireplace. The subject, the cat, is in the singular form. So, we use the singular verb plays. Look at the third sentence. The dolphins along with the whale are swimming in the ocean. But in the third examples, the dolphins is in the plural form. So we use the plural verb are. Now see the next rule. Class names such as furniture and stationery take a singular verb. Look at the examples. The furniture has arrived. Number 2, the stationery is in the drawer. So I hope all of you understood this chapter. Thank you.